This is Excel Lesson 2, entering and editing basic data in a worksheet step by step. Open a new blank workbook and in cell A1 type Fabricam ink. Press enter. Notice your cursor moves down to the next active cell A2 just below. In cell A2 type employee list and press enter. Click on cell A4 now and type name and then press tab. Notice that your active cell is now B4. Type extension here in B4 and press enter. Notice that you are now moved back into column A, cell 5. Now we're going to type Richard Carey and press tab, and we'll put his extension in 101 and press enter. It looks like his name is cut off, but if you click in the cell where Richard Carey's name is, A5, notice it is not cut off. You see the full entry in the formula bar. All right, let's go to cell A6 and we will type David Wright. Press enter. Next one, A7 Kim Akers and press enter. In A8, Lisa Andrews and press enter. All right. Once you've verified that your worksheet looks like this, let's go ahead and click File, Save As. We'll navigate to our OneDrive to our class folder. And we will name this last name, your last name, first name, and then the instructions are saying O2 Fabricam Employees Solution. We'll go ahead and save. All right, let's keep this open, going down to change the column width step by step, still in entering and editing basic data in a worksheet. If you put your mouse in between columns A and B, you'll notice it turns into a double arrow pointer. Double click and note that the column width changes to the widest entry in column A. So now everything fits, nothing's overlapping. You can also change this by doing it manually. So let's go in between columns B and C and we'll drag. We'll click and hold it down and drag until the width is 20. And we'll let go. All right, and we'll go ahead and we'll do a file save. We're going to leave it in the same place with the same name. So we'll just do file save. Right. This is the second worksheet that you'll submit, workbook that you'll submit with this assignment for lesson 2.